Hello guys. What? This is our style and we are here making soup with potato. Hello guys. So we are now heading off. I have no idea where. We are here with Maria. Say hi.
Hello.
There is my mom and my daughter Sofia, which we are not showing. So we are in our sparkly shoes, which are flat, because I stopped using my heels when I have like 4 kids. I don't have time and nerves to do heels because everything hurts. I have no idea for all of you other moms. This is my mommy. So this is my mommy who helps me in the house. Oh my god, you're filming me too close. And that's all for today. Bye bye. Mommy, say hello for everyone or to everyone. And this is Sofia. Hello, 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 hello. Maria, hello, 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 hello. And I'm showing you our city. We are in Kazakhstan, in Almaty. Yes, we are. Okay. And Maria, question for you. Where are we gonna go now? Okay, so just now my sister told me that I dressed well today, so it means that I don't dress well every day. Is that what you meant?
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you so much. It's like when we were filming for TikTok, the questions, there was a question, who is dressing more stylish?
Has a
better style. And she's like, me. It's like for her. So thank you very much, my sister.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You. Fuck you. Okay. Не знам. We are having 3 seconds. We need to run. Oh my god. Apoteca, we're leaving. You, Maria. Hello. Bye bye. We're going to the pharmacy. My mommy doesn't want that I film. Maria. This is our clean pharmacy. Yeah. What are we gonna get? Tell us, Maria. Tell us. What are we gonna get? Some drugs? Ooh.
2 раза в день и в течение недели.
Antibiotic. Now is always waiting for my mom and my sister to get some products, and it's gonna be instead of 5 minutes, I think 20 minutes, but it's okay. I can wait. And while we wait, we can look at my shiny thing. I really adore shiny things. Oh. And just while we wait, I wanted to tell you, it's like yesterday I posted English version of vlog, and my Serbian subscribers wanted me to continue in Serbian. It will be Serbian English vlog, I think, like that, because my first video on YouTube, if you scroll it down, was in English. That was like the thing was that I will do it in English, but it's like Serbian people ask for Serbian, so I continued like that. But I remembered my goals. It was English vlogs, so I will start mixing. We will see where will this guide us. Maybe less views, but I will continue doing what I wanted to do in the first place. So. And we are here for a cup of coffee on the sun. My sister is eating the pancake with the fork without knife. It's very strange. This is cool. Yeah. So today is the day of pancakes. In Russia we have like 1 week of pancakes. So it's like pancakes. We wanted some coffee and they brought us this to say happy Maslenitsa. It's the end of summer, so it's like last days of fur. I'm gonna cry, I think. I love fur. And we just came home. I'm getting my girl out of this one, and we have this. My favorite dress. Yes, dress, little girl. Sofia, Sofia, Sofia. I really adore her things. So now we're gonna wait for our brothers, make some dinner, and that's the plan for today. Hello guys, now I'm cooking for my boys. I'm making soup with potatoes and meatballs. So the thing is that you do, like the thing of this soup is or the secret of this soup is the butter, because you put a little bit of butter instead of oil. You put butter and then you put some onion on the butter. You wait for 2 minutes. After this, you put some water inside. Then it starts to cook. You make small cubics from the potato and you make small meatballs from this kind of meat. Put inside, cook for 20-25 minutes. And the soup is done. It's very easy, it's very fast, and my children really adore it. I think this is like healthy dinner after kindergarten. They're gonna be here in 30 minutes, so I'm making it. It's like now 5:45. They will be here in 6:15, and they will have like fresh soup, healthy dinner. Let's start. So we are doing the potato like this. You do small cubics. Put inside of boiling water. After this, we are doing the next step. I will show you. And now we are cooking this for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm trying to make Sophia sleep now. She's eating milk. Okay, soup is done. Waiting for baby boys to come home from kindergarten. I'm thinking about posting this video. It's like one day with me, and I'm gonna do it on Tuesday or tomorrow, and I will do subtitles for my Serbian people and Serbian subscribers who doesn't understand English, or for those who doesn't, or which doesn't. Okay, my grammar is not so good, so sorry about that, because I haven't been talking in English for 6 months, something like that. Last time I talked in Dubai in September, so like now it's February, but I'm getting used to it, so it will be better. I will be more natural as time goes by, and my English is like more speakable, or okay, wait, this is not a word. Okay, you know what I mean. I'm blonde almost, because I need to dye my hair. Okay, I'm almost blonde, so you understand I'm half of stupid. A little bit of stupidity, this is a new word. A little bit of stupidity is here. Yeah, so sorry about that. And for normal people, this will be not so normal vlog. And for all of you who are like very serious people, I don't think this is the place for you. And unless you want to laugh and smile, then you are in right place, because my vlogs and my videos, they're all the time funny character, and it's like an entertainment. So you should laugh and I'm sending you my positive energy. Like the substyle. Привет.
А я что?
Все. They're home. We have this thing that we move her around the house. It's very convenient. Yeah, which is looking at me. Идем. Just finished playing, running with my baby boys.